we've got my battery adapter using USB-C power delivery 3.1. We've got a power bank here that can output 140 watts, which is 28 volts, 5 amps. That's a trigger board that will tell it to take that much voltage. Feeds down to DC-DC converter, which will take 28 volts and drop it to 20. And then that comes over to my digikey bot power adapter. The center pin on this is not used. I tore apart a commercial MSI adapter just to see that it wasn't used, but yes, it's not used. Okay, so put some load on it. I've got Fusion running, and let's plug it in. All right, and there we go. Nearly 120 watts out. 120 watts in the cable. This laptop's power adapter is 120. It's 20 volts, 6 amps commercially. You can see that we're at 27, so it's holding up. Very nice. And even at that high of a power draw, which is max, I get an extra, well, there's half hour. But let's see if I stop rendering in Fusion. Yeah, it drops quite a lot. So now we're getting, let's see, let's let it update itself. Anyways, you can do the math. An extra hour basically off this battery bank. So all working pretty well.